Hello viewers, our today's topic is surface areas and volumes. Exercise 13.2, question number 3. Let us solve the problem. The total height of the jamun is 5 cm. It's given. And the radius of the jamun is equal to, diameter is given as 2.8 cm. So radius of the cylinder is, radius of the hemisphere is 2.8 by 2, diameter by 2, so 1.4. So radius of the cylinder equal to radius of the hemisphere equal to 1.4 centimeter. At the same time, radius of the hemisphere is equal to height of the hemisphere. Height of the hemisphere. If the radius of the hemisphere is 1.4 centimeter means the height of the hemisphere is also 1.4 centimeter. So the radius of the hemisphere is 1.4 centimeter. Height of the hemisphere is 1.4 centimeter. So radius is 1.4, height is also 1.4. So height equal to 1.4 centimeter. Here also the height equal to 1.4 centimeter. 1.4 plus 1.4 is 2.8. Now we have to calculate the height of the cylinder. Now height of the cylinder is, total height 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 is 2.8. So 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2 centimeter. 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4. So 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 is 2.8. 5 minus 2.8 is 2.2 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder equal to 2.2. First calculate the volume. The volume of 1 jamun equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of first hemisphere plus volume of second hemisphere. First, second. So the volume of 1 jamun equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of first hemisphere plus volume of second hemisphere. Now after calculating the volume of 1 jamun, we have to calculate the volume of 45 jamuns. The quantity of sugar syrup present in 45 jamun equal to 30% of the volume of 45 jamuns. So we have to calculate volume of 45 jamuns, volume of 1 jamun, and the quantity of sugar syrup in 45 jamun equal to 30% of the volume of 45 jamun, this value. What is the formula to find the volume of cylinder? Pi square h, which is the height of the cylinder, plus what is the volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. So this is the radius of the cylinder, radius of the cylinder and radius of the hemisphere, plus 2 by 3 into pi r cube. Pi r square taking pi r square is common for all these three terms, so taking pi r square outside, write the remaining height of the cylinder plus 2 by 3 pi r square we have taken outside, right, another r plus here also 2 by 3 pi r square we have taken outside, here r into r is plus and no, we have taken r square we have taken outside, write the remaining r here. So pi r square equal to, substitute the value of height of the cylinder 2.2 plus 2 by 3 into radius of the hemisphere is 1.4 centimeter plus 2 by 3 into radius of the cylinder is 1.4 centimeter. Pi r square into 2.2 plus 2 into 1.4 is 2.8 by 3 plus 2.8 by 3. Pi r square into, take LCM and add the value, 1 into 3, 2.2. The denominator 1 is there, 3 is not there, write that value, plus 2.8 into, denominator 3 is there, 1 is not there, plus in the denominator 3 is there, 1 is not there, so 2.8 into 1. Pi r square into 2.2 into 3 is 6.6 plus 2.8 into 1 is 2.8 plus 2.8 into 1 is 2.8 divided by 3 equal to pi r square into 6.6 plus 2.8 plus 2.8. (12.2) by 3. Pi value is 22/7. R value is 1.4 into 1.4 into 12.2 by 3. Cancel 7 and 1.4. 7 2s are 14. So 0.2. 22 into 0.2. 4.4 into 1.4. 4.4 into 1.4 is 6.16 into 12.2. So 6.16 into 12.2 is, the decimal point is after 3 digits. So write the decimal point after 3 digits. 75.152 divided by 3. So cancel this value. So volume of 1 jamun is 25.05 centimeter cube. Volume of 45 jamun is, this value multiplied by 45. 25.05 into 45. The decimal point is placed after 2 digits. So here also place the decimal point after 2 digits. So the value is 1127.25 centimeter cube. Now quantity of syrup. Quantity of syrup equal to 30% of its volume. So 30% is 30 by 100 of its volume means we have to multiply the value. Volume value is 1127.25. Quantity of syrup in 45 jamun. So take the value of 45 jamun volume 1127.25. Write this 0 here. 5 3s are 15. The decimal value is after the 2 digits. No, here also place the decimal value after 2 digits. So equal to 33817.50 divided by 100. Divided by 100 means move the decimal point in the right. Multiplied by 100 means we have to move the decimal point towards the right. Divided by 100 means we have to move the decimal point towards left. So there are 2 zeros now. So 1, 2. We have to place the decimal point here. So 338.1250 centimeter cube is the answer. 338.1250 cc.